Understanding OpenAPI and Swagger.
OpenAPI is a specification that provides a standard, language-agnostic way to describe RESTful APIs. Swagger is a set of open-source tools built around the OpenAPI specification. Together, they help developers design, document, and test APIs more efficiently, making communication between teams and systems much easier.
How OpenAPI improves API design.
With OpenAPI, developers can define every aspect of an API's endpoints, parameters, and data structures in a simple YAML or JSON format. This clear documentation helps avoid misunderstandings, ensures consistency, and gives everyone, developers, testers, and consumers, a shared understanding of how the API works.
Swagger tools in action.
Swagger provides tools like Swagger Editor and Swagger UI. The editor allows you to write and edit OpenAPI definitions in your browser, while Swagger UI generates interactive documentation you can use to explore and call API endpoints directly. These tools save time and reduce errors by making the specification and testing process much more visual and interactive.
Validating and testing APIs.
Using OpenAPI and Swagger, you can automatically validate your API definitions against the spec, flagging missing or inconsistent details. Tools can also mock endpoints or generate sample code, letting teams test and troubleshoot long before writing any back-end code. This early feedback helps catch issues early and keeps development moving smoothly.
Code generation and client development.
One of the biggest benefits is automatic code generation. Swagger tools can create server stubs and client libraries in many programming languages from your OpenAPI file. This reduces manual coding tasks, ensures consistency across implementations, and speeds up the process of integrating with your API.
Why adopt OpenAPI and Swagger?
The OpenAPI and Swagger help streamline the entire lifecycle of API development, from design through testing to client development. By providing clear specifications, automated validation, and code generation, they save time, reduce errors, and make collaborating on APIs much easier for everyone involved.